What is Chainlink? Link. A cryptocurrency called Chainlink aims to motivate a global network of computers to give trustworthy, real-world data to smart contracts that operate on top of blockchains. If you're not familiar, smart contracts are contracts that are set up to go into effect if and when specific criteria are met. Up till now, smart contracts have been utilized for anything from building new crypto assets to developing novel crypto financial products. The fact that most smart contracts must rely on an external data source in order to fully carry out their terms has, however, continued to be a problem. Smart contracts may require access to APIs reporting on market pricing or Internet of Things data, for instance, if they want to duplicate bonds or insurance contracts. In order to solve this problem, Chainlink was developed, which rewards data suppliers, also known as oracles, for serving as a link between external data sources and blockchain smart contracts. Since each oracle in the Chainlink network has a reputation score, it has an incentive to supply correct data. Furthermore, nodes are paid with Link, the cryptocurrency of Chainlink, when they adhere to the software's regulations and give important data. How does Chainlink work? Chainlink divides its execution method into 3 discrete parts to simplify communication between its users and outside data sources. Oracle Selection Chainlink customers first create a Service Level Agreement, SLA, that outlines a list of desired data requirements. The software then matches the user with oracles that can supply the data using the SLA. The user uploads the SLA after establishing the criteria and deposits their Link cryptocurrency in an order matching contract that takes bids from oracles. Data reporting is the process by which the oracles communicate with outside sources to receive the actual data specified in the SLA. The oracles process the data, after which it is transmitted back to contracts that are active on the Chainlink blockchain. Result aggregation. The final stage, known as result aggregation, entails summing the data that the oracles have gathered and returning it to an aggregation contract. The aggregation contract collects the responses, evaluates each one for validity, and then gives the user a weighted score based on the total of all the data collected. Architecture. 3 different types of smart contracts run the Chainlink network. Aggregating contracts gather information from oracles and match the most precise findings with the smart contract that requires them. Order matching contract. This contract compares the best bid oracles to the Service Level Agreement, SLA, of a smart contract. Reputation contract examines an oracle's performance history to confirm its reliability. This takes into account elements including the overall volume of successfully completed queries, the typical response time, and the amount of Link cryptocurrency the oracle has staked. However, Chainlink also engages with oracles that are independent of its blockchain and in charge of gathering the actual data required by the contracts. There are 2 parts to the nodes: Chainlink Core, reading freshly filed SLAs and assigning tasks to the Chainlink Adapter are the responsibilities of Chainlink Core. Chainlink Adapter serves as a conduit for external data to reach the node. The adapter has the ability to read, process, and write data to the blockchain. Who invented Chainlink? The for-profit business smart contract introduced the Chainlink network in June 2017, and the first iteration was introduced in the same month. Steve Ellis and Sergey Nazarov, co-founders of the business, along with company advisor Ari Jules, eventually published the white paper as Chainlink. The Chainlink team then conducted an initial coin offering, ICO, selling 35% of the cryptocurrency's 1 billion unit supply to raise the equivalent of $32 million. The remaining tokens were distributed as follows: 35% were given to node operators as incentives, and 30% were given to smart contract for use in developing the Chainlink network. Why is Link valuable? The value of the Link cryptocurrency comes from its capacity to guarantee the effective execution of smart contracts that rely on the Chainlink network. Most importantly, Link is the sole currency that may be used for essential network activities and is integrated into the network itself. For instance, node operators who retrieve data are paid via Link. In this sense, it's crucial for regulating communications between Chainlink users. The smart contract developers use Link as a deposit, which the oracles pay. Upon completion of the assignment or if their services are not accepted, this fee is returned. If an oracle breaches the terms of the contract, the fee is retained by the designers of the smart contract. The quantity of Link tokens is constrained, making a total of 1 billion Link tokens available at any time, just like many other cryptocurrencies.